Hello and congratulations, you've reached the end of this video course. This is video number 10 and I'm going to show you how to show your live Hangouts sessions on YouTube. In order for this to work, you'll need to close this window down. Now, this is good information to know simply because when you start your Hangout, you can start it where you want it to be on air on YouTube. So I'm going to close this down. And if you do a search for Google Hangouts Live, it's called Google Hangouts on Air. If you click the link at the top, you can see here that you can start a Hangout on air. And as you can see here, the features are you can go live from your laptop. Live broadcasts are only a few clicks away. You can stream your Hangout on air publicly on Google and your YouTube channel and your website. You can save instantly to YouTube. You don't have to use any special software. It's automatically saved to your YouTube account. So think about that. That is super powerful. Once you are done with your Google Hangout session, you can put it to your YouTube account and begin using it as a means to market your website or your product. That's powerful. And you can begin to use social signals to do backlinks to your Google video to rank them on the internet and get traffic from that point. So think about it. When you're doing a video with Google Hangouts, not only are you creating a interactive session, you get to use that session as a means to get it on YouTube, get it ranked, and get traffic after that. So to start it, all you have to do is click Start a Hangout on Air. And it says before you can broadcast, we need you to connect your YouTube account to your Google Plus page. So we're going to click Connect Account. And we go through the whole process, and it says use YouTube as Bob Smith. Click OK. And you got to go through a voice verification. So we're going to go through this process, and I'll see you on the other side. And once you go through their actual phone verification process, you'll see that it says, congratulations, your account is now enabled for uploads longer than 15 minutes. And this is crucial because think about it. If you got a webinar that's 20, 30, 40 minutes, then you're going to need to be able to be enabled for uploads longer than 15 minutes. So after that's done, we can simply check accounts, make sure that they are connected, and we can set up your Hangout on air. So we can say something like Hangouts webinar session coolness, and enter the email addresses and simply click Start Hangout on Air. And at that point, once you've entered that information, it basically says to agree to the terms and services. So it says when you broadcast a Hangout, it may be publicly streamed on Google+. A Hangout on Air may be streamed and recorded on YouTube. So if you agree with that and you're okay with it being public, then click Continue. Now it takes some time. As you can see, it says preparing broadcasts 24%. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that it is all the way to 100% and you can actually start it going. So I'm going to pause this video until it hits the 100% mark. Okay, great. So from this point, all we have to do is click on Start Broadcast to start the broadcast. Your Hangout on Air will be broadcasted publicly on Google Plus and YouTube. So click on OK. And as you can see, it's posting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now this is public on the actual YouTube video channel and stuff like that. So we can go through the process. We could show people our screen and everything like that. And of course, when we're done, click on End Broadcast. And there you go. So once you end the broadcast, it's pretty much good to go. It's done. And all you have to do is you can embed the actual code. So you got the embed code right away. It's already on YouTube, and within a few minutes, you can actually begin to give this out to your other customers, clients, and more. So that's a very, very powerful tool in itself. Now you don't have to worry about doing webinars, and then of course from that point having to format it takes hours and hours and hours, and then upload it to YouTube and this and that. So you have yourself a full seamless system, and now you can see the power of Google Hangouts and how you can use it for your own business.